Hello, it's me again, Charity, and welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time coming to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and be part of this family. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I do my full glam tutorial. My brows are already done, as you all can see. So first I'm going to prime my face, and for my primer today I'm using L.A.Girl PRO.prep Moisture Nourishing Face Primer. This primer is mattifying and also kind of moisturized at the same time. So we have our primer on. Next we are going to conceal some dark spots, as you can see on my face, and for that I'm using my professional Pro Balm. This right here, this baby. Now this dark spot here in this area. I like to apply sometimes under my eye too, just to cover those dark circles, as you can see. And I'm going to use this pointed foundation brush from Anjou to blend it together. I'm kind of blending it, not really blended, but making sure it's at where I want them to be. I want it to be. Okay. For foundation, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm going to mix that of Cappuccino and that of Mocha. I did a video on swatching foundation, how to get a better match, and you can check my channel for that. And I realized that mixing this foundation helps me get my perfect match. So on my hands, so this is the shade that I'm going to use right here. To blend everything together, I'm using my beauty sponge from One Dyer. I'm going to blend everything together. I think this is really matching. I think, guys. I think it's correct. Okay. Anytime I do my brows before my foundation, I end up cleaning my brows. Okay. I think we are not looking bad at all. Foundation is blended. Everything seems seamless. Okay. To conceal, I'm using my L.A.Girl Pro Conceal. This is the L.A.Girl Pro Conceal. This one is Toffee, and that of the Fawn. I like to bring the Fawn under my eyes. Add that of the Fawn beneath the chin, on the chin here, and I'll put some on the forehead as well. So I want to add a little bit of the foam to the toffee I applied to make it more, popping. So just a little. And to blend the concealer, I'm using the beauty sponge I used earlier. I'm using the other side of it to blend the concealer into the foundation. So So concealer is blended in. Okay, anytime you apply concealer, do want to set the concealer. Okay, that is very important. And to set the concealer, I'm going to use my Sacha Buttercup, and use this powder brush from Anjou. This baby is from Anjou. It's so fluffy. I'll pick and I'll tap. That's all I do. Because you want to set it before you go on with more powder to bake it. So I do that. I set it like that. You see where I have set the concealer? It's more mattifying looking, mattifying more than where I have not set with setting powder. So that is the importance of applying setting powder on your concealer, to make sure that the concealer is sitting right on top of the foundation and it's not moving. So I like to set it. I pick the products, I cap the excess off, and I'm using the brush to set the concealer. To bake, I'm going to use this beauty sponge. You see how the shape is like? I don't know if you can see that. Okay. And then I'm going to pick setting powder, like so. I don't like going very closer to my eye, because sometimes when I do that, I've realized that it's so cakey that I don't like it that way. I don't like my face to look so cakey, so I don't bring it very close to the under eye. So I'm just going to leave it right here. And I'll bring it closer to my nose, just to contour the nose as well. Okay, my forehead, the bridge of my nose as well. Okay, now that I have the powder going on all over the places I want it to be, I will go on and contour the face. And to contour, I'm using Makeup Duo Contour from Makeup, and I'm using this brush right here from Anjou. It's a contour powder brush. You can use it to contour as well. And I'm going to pick both, because this one is very pigmented, so be careful when you pick the product. I'm going to pick both at the same. To contour, you can do your face like so. This area is where you contour, right here. So okay, I want to bring my contour. I want to also contour my forehead, just to make sure my head is looking, my forehead is not that big. I have a broad forehead, so I want to make it smaller by contouring the edges as well. I'm going using the same brush and the same powder. I'm going to go in like this. I'm contouring my forehead. I think our contour is not looking bad at all. Okay. Now that the contour is on, I'm going to set my entire face. And so before I clean the excess powder on my face, I want to do the eyeshadow first, because some eyeshadows have fallout, and I'm not pretty sure the eyeshadow palette I'm going to use. Okay, so I want to leave the powder on. After I'm done set with my eyeshadow, then I clean the powder on. But let's contour our nose, then we can go on with the eyeshadow. So to contour my nose, I'm still using the same palette, and I'm using this flat brush to define the nose before I use this brush to blend in. So to blend my contour, my nose contour, I'm using this nose contour brush from Anjou collection. I'm going to kind of blend it in downwards, okay, into my skin. Don't blend it upwards, just blend it downwards. Okay. Now that the nose is contoured, let's do the eyeshadow. When we are done with the eyeshadow, we clean the excess powder on our face. So let's get into it. For the eyeshadow, I'm using absolutely matte eyeshadow palette for my eyeshadows, and this is how it looks like. Everything here is matte. There is no shimmering, there is no glittering, there is nothing metallic in here. Everything is matte. And for that, I'm going to use this shade right here as my transition shade. I'm using my eyeshadow brush, the transition shade, like that. So for the transition shade, it just helps the other shadows to kind of pop. Okay, it gets, to me, I feel like it gives me some kind of a base, okay, for all the other shadows to come in. Don't just look at your palette. I believe all palettes that we have more than 2 or 3, 4, 5 shades on it. So don't just pick blue and put it here, bam, like that. You are gone. Try and work it with about 2 or 3 different shades and you are done. And just use 2 shades, but how you blend it also matters. So with this one, I'm just using that as my transition shade. I'm going to take that dark purple shade and I'll go into the outer corner of my eye. Try to kind of close the eye a little bit. Okay. So I want it to go into the crease here more than spreading it all over. That is why I switched the brush. And to blend everything in, I'm going in with the previous brush that I used. And kind of blend it into the transition shade to give it a soft edge. Okay, so now it's looking more softer than before. This right here. That's it. This side. Kind of come straight onto the. At the crease, I'm using this palette right here. It doesn't have any name, sorry about that. I'm going to go into this shade, kind of almost the lightest concealer on it, to cut the crease. I normally like half crease, so I'm not going all the way down there. I'm going into halfway. Here. I'm finding it difficult. I think it's coming together right now. The same palette, and I'm going into the shade right here. This one. So I'm going to go into the previous palette I used, and I'm going to go into the one I applied at the outer corner, this one, just to blend. You see, I don't want you to see that there is some crease cuts here. I want to blend everything together, so I'm going to apply that shade. Okay. Not everything, but at the outer, I'm just bringing it to the outer, just to blend it in. On this side, I'm using the lighter one, the purple, light purple that we use, this one, to blend that side too in. Just to make sure we don't have a demarcation between the transition and then the crease and the other colors. Okay, I think this is looking better. Yeah. Yeah guys, I went on and I did the other eye. I also applied my lashes. In fact, today it's my first time applying lashes, guys. You won't believe it, but I think that I did good. It's not bad, but I wish it was better than this. But let's take it like that. So to set my entire face and to dust off the powder, I'm using L.A.Girl Pro Face High-Definition Matte Pressed Powder. This one is in the shade True Bronze. This powder brush, my face. So, okay, so to finish the look, I'm going to spray my face. So I'm spraying my face with a Clean Color Pro Sealer Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. Oh guys, I nearly cried. I realized my camera had stopped recording, so I couldn't video the end of this look. So I am adding pictures of the final look. Please forgive me, it won't happen again. Okay, I'm so sorry. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and share with your friends. Thank you. See you all in my next video. Bye.